Hi guys, so today I'm going to be swatching this whole palette on my arm. I don't know why, but swatching palettes just really gets my juices going and I think it's really fun. So, we're going to start off with this white shade, very soft. Then, I don't even know how to do go like that. Bam. Then we got the second one. Then we got the third one. Oh my gosh, my thing is not. Then we got the fourth one. Cool. Oh, then we got this shimmer. This shimmer is stunning. I wish I had a better camera, but look at that. Then we have this. This brown is so pigmented, it's insane. That's a really good color. Then we're going to start here. We're going to go to Candy Floss, which is like a pink shimmer. Then we have a peach pink. Well, that one did not come out the best. I would say it's like the color of your tongue. Everyone has the same tongue color, right? And then we're gonna go in with this. This color is beautiful. It's like a orangey gold. Yeah, it's like an orange gold. I feel like that with this one would look so good. Oh wait, no. For these two. Okay, now to go on with this pink. This pink feels like dry, kind of like a ColourPop shadow. But like the color is there. You see that? And then I just go back and forth to blend it out. Then let's go into this like gray purple. I like putting this on my lower lash line to give that like grungy effect. And then let's go on with this purple. Nope. This purple is like so-so. It's like not the best. I mean, it's pigmented, but I don't really use this shade. Okay, we're going to start going up the arm. So, let's brush it out on my leg. Then we're in the last row. So we're going to do prick first, then cherry soda, then freshen meat. So cherry soda is like more of like a bright red. I wouldn't say like it would be probably the closest to a primary red in this palette. And then the next one is the dark red, so it's going to be like this. It's like a darker version of cherry soda. And then this one is going to be like a purple red. This is the fresh meat one. I don't know why, but I'm like super into that color. I don't know why. Then we have blood sugar, which is the softest shade I have ever felt. Then we have extraction, and then coma. So then we got blood sugar, extraction. It's like a deeper version of the blood, the fresh meat. Oh, this shade is so beautiful. And then we have the last shade, which is coma. The last two are like kind of weird. You kind of have to like build them. But you can build them most definitely. So this, it went way faster than I thought. So these are all the shades. We got, oh god. Can you see it? I feel like they all look the same on here, but I swear they look different. Look at this shade though, like, look how the shine just like is there, you know? How many? There's that shimmer, then there's this one. Oh, and then there's this one, but this one's like really soft. It almost looks like white a little bit. Oh, this one's a shimmer too, but it's like a red, so it doesn't really have a lot of glimmer to it. But yeah, guys, that is blood sugar swatch on my arm. I literally do this probably daily. Yikes. But yeah. Cool guys. I will catch you in the next video. Bye.